it is something that we may raise, no? Whether during oral arguments, during the open court, or as a written manifestation. Kasi, again, to be honest with it, totoo naman ho, hindi ba? Um, mas mabigat ho yung questioning the integrity of the court that had been stated by the Vice President. At yun po ay, syempre, doon po sa mga senator judges, totoo naman ho, may napinsala naman po talagang House Prosecutor, hindi po ba? When a spliced video of him speaking was released. No? So, I think if it's something that the Senate Impeachment Court would really want to undertake, ito pong providing guidelines for how the court, the parties should engage with the public, dapat all of these particular details should be incorporated in the guidelines itself. No? Kasi hindi naman huubra na yung pong reklamo lang po ng depensa, yung pong magiging batayan dito po sa guidelines na ito. Kasi again, going back to the transcript itself, sobrang linaw naman ho nung napanood ho natin, wala hong batayan para magreklamo yung depensa. Kasi, nung sinabi ho yung it is allowed, kinat pa nga niya si Attorney Kapunan eh. Hindi ba? So, paano po yun magiging batayan? Nito pong reklamo nila on one of our private prosecutors. So, to sum it, kailangan lang po, dapat makita ho lahat ng Senate Impeachment Court, yung po mga instances, nung pong tingin din ho namin, meron pong paglagpas dito po sa bagay po na ito.